Hey, what's up guys? Long time no see. This is Paul from Incognito Samples, and today we have a very interesting project. This is Zonderling and Magnificence apart. Let's begin. So, what we have? You can see kick from the original, clap also, then go tom, second tom, and laser shot. What about these sounds? Some sounds are taken from the original and some from our libraries, Incognito Samples. You can see Spire. The sub-bass made is very simple. You can see one oscillator, this is square, then it goes to filter, perfecto, and you can see adjusted handles. Turn on X comp and a little bit boosted average frequencies. Then go classic EQ and double sidechain. And so, what do we have here? There is classic simple soul, sent to perfecto filter, and adjust handles. Turn on X comp and turn on EQ, that boosted average frequencies. Good, let's look at the effects section and automatically handles. There are only two effects involved. First, this is shaper, then give us a good frequencies, a good density frequencies, and second effect, it's phaser, that already automated. Okay guys, I hope you all understand. Let's move on. Sound processing of melody plug. First go Saturn for density and good harmonics. Also you can see guys a little bit remove unnecessary average frequencies. This is need for deep for good sound in mix. This is one of the best way to make some friend with each other sounds. I hope you understand what I mean. Let's move on. Next, delay from Valhalla. Valhalla room, OTT. Second Valhalla for automation clip. Then you can see expander wider, which works as a parallel processing, classic EQ, and double sidechain. So, you may not understand something, so we always put presets and give instruction for free, so you can completely repeat the sound from our video. Go ahead. Our drop plug consists of three parts, all sampled from different sources. Okay, I think everything is clear here. Without comments, we continue to go. By the way guys, one thing that needs to be mentioned. There could have been an L4 effect, but I made this rhythm in piano roll. This solution is more effective and much more detailed to build than automation clip of L4. Bass tab consists of two layers. First layer, it simple soul. Second, it white noise. It to oscillator sent to perfecto filter, adjust handles. Then you can see X comp turn on and EQ that remove average frequencies. What about the effects section? There is only a shaper that gives the right dirty frequencies for the design. And at the end, EQ. Great, well, the master chain as usual is empty. There is only a limiter that pumps 6 decibels. Let's wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. And I just remind you that all presets and samples from this video you can download for free from our website. Have a nice day and good luck!